In today's video, I will walk you through the essential steps for staging your home and will also share expert tips to make your space super appealing to buyers. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Dia, an interior designer, stylist, and home improvement enthusiast. Over the years, I have staged numerous homes for sale, all of which have sold within a few days for well above asking price. The secret to this success was carefully staging the home to highlight its features and make the spaces look welcoming and appealing to buyers. Studies show that staged homes sell faster and can fetch over 7% higher prices compared to unstaged homes. In my previous video, I shared the 7 steps on how to prepare your home for sale. So if you haven't watched that video already, I will link it here and in the description below. In today's video, I will walk you through the essential steps for staging your home and will also share expert tips to make your space super appealing to buyers. So let's get started. The first question you may ask is, should you hire a staging company? Staging companies can handle tasks like arranging tradespeople to address items that need fixing and will provide stylish furniture and accessories to elevate your home's appeal. Professional staging costs vary based on location, home size, existing furniture, style, and whether your house is vacant. The cost typically ranges from a minimum of $1,000 or 1 to 1.2% of the list price. Some companies will charge an hourly rate of $75 to $300 per hour, depending on the complexity of the project. If that's not feasible for you, consider DIYing your staging efforts by using your own furniture and accessories to be your own stager. The key point is to work with your home's style, its features, and your existing furniture to make the most of what you have to attract buyers. When staging your home, the objective is to allow prospective buyers to envision themselves living comfortably in the space. Keep it simple. Declutter your space and keep only essential furniture to maximize the perceived space of each room. Simplify furniture arrangements by removing bulky or unnecessary pieces. This opens up the rooms and highlights their intended purpose. Neutral colors on walls and larger furniture pieces provide a blank canvas that appeals to a wider audience. You can introduce subtle pops of color through accessories like throw pillows, rugs, or artwork to add warmth and character without overwhelming the space. This approach allows potential buyers to visualize their own style and belongings in the home. Accessorize your home thoughtfully as you depersonalize by removing personal photos and excessive knickknacks. Instead, select a few well-chosen accessories that complement the style and color palette of each room. For instance, arrange decorative items on a coffee table or shelves in odd numbers like 3 to achieve a balanced and inviting look. Utilize functional decor. This means incorporate items like lamps, books, boxes, trays, or decorative bowls that serve a purpose while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of the room. Use wall decor effectively. Limit wall hangings to a few carefully selected pieces that enhance the ambiance of the room. Mirrors are particularly effective in smaller spaces as they can create the illusion of depth and can reflect natural light. By following these detailed staging strategies, you can create an inviting atmosphere and highlight the features of your home to appeal to a broader range of potential buyers. When staging your home, it's crucial to maximize natural light to create a brighter and welcoming atmosphere. Use windows effectively. Pull your blinds all the way up and draw your curtains wide open to allow natural light to flood into the rooms. For windows with dark or outdated curtains, consider replacing them with light filtering options to update the look and enhance the natural light. This not only brightens up the room, but also draws attention to the exterior, enhancing the overall appeal of your home. Complement natural light with artificial lighting, like overhead lights, table lamps, and floor lamps. Ensure all light bulbs have the same color temperature. A good option is 300 Kelvin, which provides a bright but warm, inviting glow. During showings, turn all your lights on to showcase your home and to create a bright, vibrant environment that appeals to potential buyers. When staging your home, integrating nature into your decor can significantly enhance its appeal. Live and artificial plants add interest and life to a space. Enhance indoor spaces with greenery. Strategically place live plants or high-quality artificial foliage throughout each room. For instance, in living areas, consider large leafy plants in corners to add a touch of greenery without overwhelming the space. In bedrooms, smaller plants on a nightstand or a dresser add a calming presence. If you're unsure about plant selection and placement, check out my video on how to decorate with plants, which I will link here and in the description below. Don't forget to highlight outdoor living space. Whether you have a garden, a cozy patio, a veranda, or a balcony, showcasing these areas as usable space is crucial when selling a home. Arrange furniture and decor in a way that illustrates how these areas can be used for relaxation or entertainment. For smaller outdoor spaces such as balconies, focus on maximizing the area's functionality. Use smaller scale furniture along with decorative elements like potted plants or outdoor rugs to create a cozy ambiance. If you have a garden, ensure it's well maintained with trimmed lawns, colorful flowers, or neatly arranged potted plants. Emphasize outdoor features that enhance lifestyle, such as a fire pit, barbecue area, or garden seating to help potential buyers envision themselves enjoying these spaces. Your real estate agent will include details of your home in the MLS listing. However, it's a good idea for you to bring special attention to key benefits and elements that your home has to offer. This is especially important if you have an open house and people just happen to come by without looking at the MLS listing. Set your home apart by pointing out and bringing attention to any improvements or extra features. Create a printed list of enhancements in a large, readable font. Display this list prominently in a large frame on an entry console or kitchen counter where visitors are sure to see it. Upgrades, special elements, and designer touches can equal a better value for the buyer's money and can also be a decisive factor between them choosing your home instead of a similar one down the road. I will include in the description below a list of possible upgrades and benefits that you could incorporate in this list that you would display in your home. The idea is, if you have it, show it off. Once you've done all the preliminary work, it's time to get ready for showings. As you prepare your home for open houses and showings, the following steps will ensure a polished appearance. Tidy up rooms to eliminate any signs of daily living and clutter. Wipe down surfaces to ensure everything looks fresh and inviting. Clear kitchen counters of random items to maximize usable prep space. Clean and polish your stovetop, sink, faucet, wipe down appliances to remove fingerprints and smudges. Ensure the bathroom is impeccably clean and all your personal hygiene items are tucked away out of sight. Wash the shower liner and curtain and iron or steam out any wrinkles. Use the trick of pulling the shower curtain to one side to make the bathroom appear larger. Add some style to the bathroom with simple decor like artwork, greenery, and an unlit candle for elegance. Add freshly laundered hand towels that match the shower curtain to soften the utilitarian look. Organize stored items and boxes in the garage neatly to avoid a cluttered appearance. Ensure the garage is presentable, as it is often a space that potential buyers will explore. Remove cat litter from the premises and check the yard for any smelly presents your pet may have left, but please do not leave it in the trash. Empty trash bins throughout the house and wipe them down to eliminate odors. Wash and put away dishes to maintain a tidy kitchen. Remove dirty laundry from hampers and store in a plastic bag that you can take with you when you leave the house. Lastly, remember to open the blinds and draperies to let in natural light and turn on all the lights before leaving. Open house showings can take several hours, so since you will be out of the house for a while, here's a list of things to consider. Pack valuables securely or take them with you. Prepare a to-go bag with snacks, water, and essentials. Gather dirty laundry and trash and remove them from the premises. Take kids, pets, and some toys to keep them entertained. Finally, take a deep breath and enjoy your day while your agent showcases your home. Remember, creating a welcoming and visually appealing environment is key to attracting potential buyers and getting top dollar for your home. By following these steps, you have set the stage for a successful home sale. Soon, you will be reviewing multiple offers and trying to decide which one to accept. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your staging journey. Until next time, bye for now.